All right, guys, today we're going to talk about the Magnuson Superchargers. I've got 10 questions that people have asked us on our Facebook, our social media, and on some of the forums. And let's go over it. So the first one here, is a supercharger worth it? Okay, well, is spending thousands of dollars on a supercharger actually worth it? I think so. I mean, if you're looking for the biggest increase in performance that you can feel every time you hit the gas, or if you're trying to just get back to stock drivability after adding a ton of weight to it, supercharger is the way to go. It is a big cost, but I think this makes some of the biggest impact on your performance levels. And if you've got like this truck here, this Tacoma that we're supercharging that has a big canopy on the back, a lot of extra weight, this is going to get it back where it was, actually a little bit faster than the stock vehicle. I know for some of you speed's not important, but drivability is. And if you're climbing up hills or you're going off-road, you've got a lot of extra gear, this supercharger is going to help you get where you need to go without using the truck. So yes, it is worth it. How much horsepower does a supercharger actually add? Well, that depends. Depends on the application. Usually with the out-of-the-box supercharger systems, we're getting anywhere from 30 to 50% more crank horsepower and torque than the factory vehicle had. Some are more, some are less, but on most of the truck and Jeep applications that we do, it's minimum 100 horsepower. Some of them, like the Raptor that we just did, that was over 300 horsepower. So depends on your application, but a safe number is 30 to 50% more power. Will a supercharger hurt the engine? What about longevity? Well, no, I don't think it's going to hurt the engine. When it's installed correctly by a reputable shop or technician, you shouldn't have any issues with it. These out-of-the-box kits from modern-day companies like Magnuson and Whipple, they engineer these to be safe, and many of them include a powertrain warranty. Even if your vehicle's already out of warranty, they're going to extend it for maybe 3 years, 36,000 miles on the motor, because they've done their homework. These systems are proven, and they're designed to be safe, effective ways of adding more horsepower. Can you daily drive a supercharged vehicle? Absolutely. These modern day kits are designed to give you more performance from the second you put your foot on the throttle. So from idle to red line, you're going to have smooth drivability and reliable horsepower. Can you daily drive them? Sure. These things work great in stop and go traffic, to on the highway, passing vehicles, to out in the off-road scenarios where we really want to be. These superchargers are going to give you smooth, daily drivable performance. And this is a big question. We get a lot of these. Do you need to run premium fuel with a supercharger? Some of the times, yes, you do. But I've been seeing a lot of these kits from Whipple and Magnuson that have different tune levels that are going to give you a different amount of power based on the octane you're running. So you can get an 87 octane tune for those of you that just want to run the cheapest pump gas available, to 91, 95, 100 octane performance tunes, as well as E85 and E50 ethanol blends. So it really depends on the tune. For maximum power, yes, I suggest you do run premium fuel, but it's not always required with some of these modern supercharger systems. Do you need supporting mods? Can you just bolt one of these superchargers on and call it a day? I believe so. Yeah, I think you can. I don't think supporting modifications are really necessary, although sometimes they do make these more fun. They'll wake these up a little bit. But most of the supercharger systems we sell, like the ones here from Magnuson or Whipple, Roush, some of the other ones, they are ready to go right out of the box, bolt them on, and you're driving it right then and there. They come with the ECU and all the tuning that's required. How long does a supercharger last? And do superchargers wear out quickly? A high quality, properly maintained system is going to last, years, tens of thousands of miles. I mean, you're going to probably bolt one of these on, and if it's a lower mileage vehicle, they'll probably have this on there for the lifetime of the vehicle. Okay, what's the first thing you'll notice after driving a supercharged truck? Well, it's not always about peak horsepower. That's my thing. It's drivability, throttle response, and low end torque. How much do they cost? It's going to depend on every application, how much these superchargers cost. I can give you some rough estimates though. The supercharger system is going to be anywhere from, let's say, $5,000 to $10,000. And that's just for the base kit, depending on the application, what accessories it comes with, how they're tuning the vehicle. There's several different ways to get the tune onto the computer, but what's actually required to do that changes between applications. But a good rough estimate is $5,000 to $10,000 for the blower unit. Installation varies. We install the Magnuson Toyota supercharger systems in 2026 for about $1,800, and that's for the base supercharger kit installed and ready to rock. It is about a 2.5 day job, including the tuning. Um, some of the bigger superchargers that are more complicated, where you're removing a lot more components, we have to send the ECU out. We have to do maybe custom tuning, like on the TRX. That can go up to $3,000 or $4,000, just depending on the application. Should you get a supercharger? Well, I think that answers the question. Yes, you should. If you've got a modern off-road vehicle, truck, SUV, or you're just driving it around on the street, a supercharger is going to make it more fun to drive. You're going to have more power. So yes, you should get a supercharger. Every time you get in a vehicle, you're going to fall in love with it all over again. Is it worth it? Should you get one? And the answer is yes. So if you guys are looking to add a supercharger or turbocharger system to your vehicle, check us out at battlebornoffroad.com. I think I've answered most of the questions, but if you have specific questions, give us a call. My sales guys are trained in forced induction systems. We've installed and sold more superchargers in Las Vegas than any other shop. We are the supercharger experts here at Battleborn Off-Road. We look forward to working with you on your next project.